I was flipping this vintage record cabinet when I realized the edging was particle board. I didn't want to paint it, so I applied Edge Supply Red Oak 1-inch pre-glued veneer banding. I cut a piece to the needed length and I applied it with a regular hot household iron. This edge was curved, so I made sure to steam the veneer very well before I glued the curved part to avoid any cracking or breaking in the veneer. Once the veneer seemed to be glued on thoroughly, I took a pair of scissors to cut the corner to a 45-degree angle. I realized very quickly that I should have done this prior to gluing it on. I then sanded it very gently with 120 grit sandpaper. After that, I began applying veneer on the other sides of the piece. I'm so happy with how it turned out, and I'm so happy I didn't have to paint it.